Good evening. Welcome back. Did a short video earlier today, and I mentioned something about the nostalgia feeling of building models, and it reminded me of a couple years ago. One of my model car clubs. Well, actually, it was model club, not just model car club. We did a just for fun. We built models like we were just beginners. So that's what the white Corvette is, and it was kind of fun. I literally built this thing in a day because that's what you did when you were 8 years old. So I thought I'd show it just to remind us all where we came from, where we started out, and it was fun to do. I know when I was a kid, it would be I would literally use stuff like toenail clippers and whatnot to cut stuff off the trees of car to build them. And of course, we all did the tester's enamel when we were kids. I literally just quickly masked this off, very crappy, and brush painted it just like you would have done when you were a kid. Got some smudges on the glass there because I was using the tester's tube glue. Of course, I got that on there just like you would when you were a kid. And do stuff like, if I can get the hood open, look how rough I cut that open, just like I would have done when I was a kid. All testers enamel, didn't spray paint the body, that's just as it came. And I even left the didn't cut off the sprues very good. Used the big old brushes like you did when you were a kid. And I always, for some reason, painted my mufflers like they were, like, I don't know why anybody would have a red muffler, but that's how I painted them back then. Just had fun with this kit. And so whenever you ever get a chance, maybe you can talk some of your members in your club and been doing that just for fun, and for a meeting, just build like you're an 8-year-old. I thought it was fun. I don't know if any of our other members thought it was very fun, but I had a good time. But and that also brings me to this kit for a nostalgia feeling. This is not the original, but one of the first kits I ever tried to build was the AMT 33 Willys. Let me try to get this back. And I tell you what, I'm trying to think how old I was. 8, 9, I don't know. I didn't know what I was doing. But this was the first kit I ever tried to build. And this is what I would have wanted it to look like if I actually had the skills to build this kit like that. I think I probably bought this kit not too long after I saw American Graffiti for the first time, and I was like, after I saw that yellow Ford that Milner had, I was like hooked on cars. But I saw this probably at Walmart or Kmart or something when I was a kid. It was the AMT / Ertl Willys, and so this is what I wanted to build. But unfortunately, being the first time I ever built a model, I didn't realize that you couldn't glue chrome pieces together. And if anyone's built this kit, you know how much of the suspension is chromed. So naturally, it did not hold together. So I stripped all the chrome off of this, and then went back over it with the chrome pin. It's not a good kit at all. So I didn't really go too crazy with this one, but it was more for the nostalgia of that. I wanted to build the, what I wanted to build as a kid, even though I wasn't able to because I didn't know any better. My dad wasn't into building models, so I was pretty much on my own. Nobody to tell me, that you couldn't chrome or glue chrome pieces together. And I made some custom plates for this. Revenge. And I put the vintage Illinois plates, which would have been on cars back then when I would have tried to have built this car. So that's it. Just taking a stroll down memory lane with you guys. So please like and subscribe and share, and leave some comments. I'd like to hear what you guys think about building for nostalgia reasons. I know a lot of times I build stuff just for the nostalgic feel, just like I did with this one. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video.